10,000 cleaning days. Perfect. Reduce subtrate blood. What you told you making the 10,000 monthly doing exactly that. No degree. No fees. Just beach clothes and strong stomachs. He not a killer, but he walk into murderer's skin every day. This story American Dark is best playing to that on no one walls. Storyline Part 1. Who take this job? Meet James. He 34 live Texas and worked as crime scene cleaner. He saw when the police leave when the real mess again. Blood got mold with blood made nothing the surprise. He cleans such that murderer dispenses bodies every border home. Training. Just short course and license in the most state. But the real challenging is emotional. No everyone can handle it. Part 2. How much does it pay? So why did he? Because it's pay a lot. James make up to 1,000 per cleanup. Some job taken an hours. Office last 4 days, other last 4 days. He every month 10,000 and possible. No degree, career development. No boss. No days. Just gloves and negative and steel. Party one that do not tell you disclosure, but he is what did not tell you. It not a blood that is breaking you. Is that little thinking? Birthday card on the table. A family photo takes as image. The part James is silent and look at the part of the job. And some cleaner should the just moment. Part for why they skill you, so why keep going? From some it's short, just a job. It's a purpose. It's a purpose. The beginning border with the Lords. They help family move on. James said, I do not just clean up mess, I help people help. And for him, that would work. You are the call and action. Could you do job in 10,000 month? Let us know. That's the comment. It's the story shocking you, giving its life, and it's more crazy. Real life story from USA. Subscribe now.